Welcome back. Today, these are the cables we ran from our floor, from the back. We have our transducer cable. We have our navigation light, and we have our pump. So all we're going to do is put terminal on these. We're going to go positive to the switch, negative to our ground terminal, and get these hooked up. After that, all we'll be missing is our GPS and depth finder cable, power cables, which that one we're going to probably bring straight to the ground of the battery and to the battery switch, the positive. Reason being is I want to have the fuses of these two right on top of the battery, so any problem I could just change those switches really quick. There's a radio switch, doesn't bother me. I mean a radio fuse, so it doesn't really bother me, but the navigation, I really would like to have them right here. I could just open and switch them if I have a problem. I could even disconnect it for one battery and put them on another one if I really needed to. So anyway, yep, that's what we're going to do today, and let's get it started. Well, we got both the navigation light and our bilge pump both connected to our switch panel, to our ground block. All we're really missing as far as the electrical work is concerned is both the depth finder and the GPS. Actually, the fish finder and the GPS power cables, which are going to take directly to the switch box with two fuses on top of the battery, so I could have access to them easily. Once we do that, we're going to start already putting all our hatches in 5200 with 5200 and sealing them off, putting them correctly. Then we'll be missing the gas tank, the seat, and after that, hopefully the water. We're back on the Boston Whaler Montauk 17 project, finishing the electrical work. Today we're going to be putting this bracket. I made this bracket. I have a video of how I made it. It's so I could have my GPS, my depth finder, and which I was going to use this for both, but I was going to put a mercury gateway, and I don't need the mercury gateway because I'm going to go with the gauge. I'm just going to use this one as my depth finder, the 12-inch as my GPS. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be running the cords through here. We're going to take them. I'm going to take the GPS and depth finder cords, the positive to the battery switch, but the negatives I'm going to take straight to the batteries. I don't want anything to interfere with them and be able to access them really quickly. Therefore, I'll have the fuses right on top of the battery, so I'll be able to change them whenever. I'm going to be using this right here. I was able to grind a little out because it's the biggest one that came in the kit. I'll put a link to all the parts I use on my boat. I got it on Amazon. It brought several sizes of them. Basically, I'm going to try to get all my 3 wires through here, then I'm going to tighten it. It's going to lock. Maybe not all the way. Then I'm going to take 5200 and put it in there and just make a tight seal up here, somewhere in a corner where it doesn't bother me and all the cables come to the units. So yeah, that's basically it. Let's just get started. There we go. We finally got I think all of the electrical work done. I haven't cut these zip tie tips off. I want to make sure once I connect the GPSs, the batteries and everything on there, that everything is fine. Then I'll probably add a few more, cut them, make sure they're not sharp at the end. I usually take my hot welding iron, just press it on the tips, and that avoids anything sharp. Anyway, I hope you found the video helpful. I'm going to show you, well, the inside is basically the same. Here's what we did on the outside. Here we're going to have our Garmin 743XS that we're going to use as a depth finder, and here we're going to have our 12-inch screen, which I believe it's I don't remember the model right now, but you guys will see it on there. Anyway, here's the part we put. We're going to make it watertight. We're going to put some silicone. We're also going to put 5200. We're also going to put some on the side here. Also on the bracket, we're going to remove it. Once we put the GPS and depth finder on and see that it's working, we're going to put 5200, make sure that but even like this, it's solid. We've got our plugs where they're out of the way, and yeah, that's basically it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and remember, always wishing you the best, and one love.